Kiniv, I'm Winnie, a volunteer from the Uganda Red Cross Society, Mbale branch. My solution was engaging communities in poultry keeping, which is rearing of domestic birds, and this was to help communities do away with the challenge of extreme poverty that had come up as a result of COVID-19, whereby there was high increase in poverty levels, which had resulted into indigence, whereby households were sleeping on hungry stomachs because they couldn't afford food. During the designing of my prototype, I came up with different stakeholders, and those were the Red Cross volunteers, the community members themselves, the local leaders, the community development officer representing the government, and also the veterinary officer who is also under the government, and also the women and the youth council in my community. I made proper use of the goal sheet, whereby my stakeholders helped me in formulating my goal sheet in order to attain our specific goal. I also used the compass and the map as a tool in order to create an action plan which will help sustaining the project during and beyond the Limitless program. I also used design thinking as a tool whereby I and my stakeholders had to sit down and brainstorm different ideas that we thought would help our communities overcome the challenge of indigence. While using the goal sheet with my stakeholders, we came up with the following phrases on our goal sheet as: Poultry Limitless project helps community members who want to improve their livelihood by reducing extreme poverty and increasing sustainable living. While using the compass and the map, I came up with the mission as building resilience amongst the community members in order to improve their livelihood for a sustainable living. And my vision was building an indigence-free community in the next 6 years. During the process of testing my prototype, I found out that there is need for mindset change amongst the community members, since some of them have a rigid mindset. I also found out that there is need for formulation of village savings and lending associations amongst the community members, whereby they'll be able to save their money and also get loans from these associations. I also found out that there is need for equipping community members in financial literacy skills. The potential future impact of my solution is there will be reduction in poverty levels amongst the community members, whereby they'll be able to afford their necessities. Therefore, if given more funding, I'll use it for extending the project to the wider community. I will also use it for facilitating the process of formulating village savings and lending associations amongst the community members. I will also use it for facilitating the training of community members in mindset change. The funding will also be used for facilitating the training of community members in financial literacy skills. And if all this is done, I believe that I'll be able to end the challenge of indigence amongst my community members, that is to say, extreme poverty. Thank you.